Hi everyone. Due to the fact that we should no longer be asking for environmental scans when we are testing with Respondus Lockdown Browser and Monitor, I was going to show you how you can quickly go in and change that. So I'm going to my quizzes section in this course. And then if you'll click on Lockdown Browser, you will see which of your quizzes in that course utilize Lockdown Browser and proctoring or the monitor. So I'm going to just come down to one of those. This is one that I leave in all of my courses. It's called Test Check Quiz, so they can test their computer at any time before they take a test. So I'm going to go into this one, and I'm going to click on, oops, sorry about that. I'm going to click on Settings. Once you go to Settings, I'll just show you the ones that I have real quick that I use. I click Advanced Settings, and I make Respondus necessary for them to review their feedback after the test. In other words, go back in and look at their test after they've taken it. I allow use of an iPad, and I allow use of a scientific calculator. But what you want to do is come down here to the proctoring. You can see that Respondus Monitor is required here. And this is what the students go through. They go through these instructions. In case you didn't know, they get guidelines and tips, and it walks them through that. They also are requested to snap a photo of themselves before the test starts and snap a photo of their ID. I think all that should be fine. It's the environmental check that has them take a recording of their area, and it asks them to just move their camera around to record their environment. So that is the part that I'm just going to uncheck. Facial detection is good because this lets you know if the student gets out of the camera at any time while they are testing. Let's look at these last. These are the facial detection options. I leave those on. Take a look at the advanced settings real quick. And I don't use any of those. And so I'm just going to save and close. And that is how you can keep from Respondus Lockdown Browser and Monitor asking the students for a scan of their area while testing.